How was Nassau?
Oh man, that was, I get it.
You get it?
A lot of people, it's busy, beautiful. I understand why you wanted me to go there after coming here.
I want you to see the different tastes of the islands. Again, but it's a vastly different taste. It's a different thing, right?
And this one's up a little bit.
This one's up a little bit. These are great friends and have one of the most pretty houses in the country.
I'm noticing a trend here. Everybody's family. So this is unique. We actually are going up steps compared to the other house where it was like right on the wall. Oh, wow.
The Bahamian water is probably the most beautiful that you're ever going to see. And light makes all the difference. For me, this is one of the best views of the Bahamas.
The house itself, how many bedrooms, how many baths?
This house has one of the best living setups. This is a 4-bedroom, it sleeps 8 people. From having this pool to that spa, to these setups where you sit like the beautiful dining table looking at this view. You can sit in any of these spaces all day and be happy. Some houses have amazing setups to appreciate the view, and this one has one of the best. You can sit here all day and love life. The house is designed with a long living room and long kitchen where it makes use of the view in all hours of the day.
And it seems like there's 2 bedrooms in this house. Where are the other 2 bedrooms?
There's a second cottage, so there's a cottage behind it with another 2 bedrooms. When we build houses and are part of houses, you try to create spaces where you say, don't move me from here. Like where you could honestly sit on the couch and say, give me a book, give me a drink. I'll spend 6 hours looking at this view. This is a house like that. We've spent so much time out here on these beaches, hours and hours and hours sitting, chatting, sitting in the water, catching up with each other. Some of my best moments in life have been in this ecosystem.